Good morning everyone. This is my photo documentation of different invertebrates in 5 phyla. First species Tachypleus ridentatus, English name Trispin horseshoe crab, local name Barrancas, and scientific name Kingdom Animalia, phylum Arthropoda, class Merostomata, order Scyphosora, family Lomelidae, genus Tachypleus. Ang species is trident ay ang Tachypleus tridentatus. At ang nakuha kong ito ay babae. At unang-una this picture niya is wala siyang frontal margin and 3 lateral spin in the ospitosoma of a female. Next species, Portunus pelagicus. English name, blue swimming crab. Local name, alimasag. And scientific name, Kingdom Animalia, Arthropoda, class Malacostraca, family Pronidae, genus Portunus, scientific name Portunus pelagicus. At ang second picture niya is yung male is blue, then yung lalaki naman is green. Then body with 5.7 cm, about to 20 cm. Body pan shape, body side with 9 wild type spin, paddle shaped leg. Sunod na phylum naman is Mollusc, scientific name Rhoditapis philippinarum, English name Manila clam or carpet shell, local name Caraucau, and Kingdom Animalia, yung phylum Mollusca, class Bivalvia, order Benirida, family name Beniridae, genus Rhoditapis, scientific name or species Rhoditapis philippinarum. At ang mga characteristic nito ay short neck and yung mga banding pattern niya sa kanyang shell. Then, next species, scientific name Alitiotes subulata, English name Big Fin Red Squid, Reef Squid, and local name Pusit Lumot. Ang kingdom niya is Animalia, phylum Mollusca, class Cephalopoda, order Myopsida, family Loliginidae, and genus Alotionetes, scientific or species Alotionetes subulata, torpedo shape and elongated, yung kanyang mga distinguished picture. Next species naman, Pramolus Lebistrombus canarium, English name Dogcans, local name Pasyak, and Kingdom Animalia, phylum Mollusca, class Gastropoda, yung order Morpha, family Strombidae, genus Limbistrombus, and scientific name or species is Lebistrombus canarium. Strong foot with a sickle shape, yung kanyang distinguished picture. At ang sunod na species is Diadema antellarium, English name Landspin sea urchin, local name Tayum, Kingdom Animalia, phylum Echinodermata, and class Echinodia, order Diadematoyada, family Diadematidae, genus Diadema, and scientific is Diadema antellarium. and also found in Palawan. This picture niya is long spin at orange yung eyes niya. The next species naman is Protoristar nodosus, an English name horn sea star or chocolate chip sea star, local name sea star or starfish, kingdom Animalia, phylum Echinodermata, class Asteroidea, order Balbatida, family Oriasteridae, genus Protoristar, and species Protoristar nodosus. Using this picture niya, pointed projection, nodulus, fail shape, at ang kanyang madalas makita ng substrate is buhangin. Next species naman is Cassiopeia sp, upside down jellyfish or local name baligtaran. At ang kanyang kingdom is Animalia, phylum Cnidaria, ang class Scyphozoa, order Rhizotimae, family Cassiopeidae, genus Cassiopeia, species Cassiopeia sp. At ang isa sa mga characteristic niya is yung hindi siya gano'ng kalaki yan, maliliit na yung kanyang tawag dyan. Next species is Acropora subulata, English name branching corals, local name Bariao or Itlogan, kingdom Animalia, phylum Cnidaria, and class Anthozoa, order Sclerotinia, family Acroporidae, genus Acropora, and species Acropora sp. At madalas siya makita sa Reef crease. Ang last species naman is Lumbricus terrestris or English name it earthworm, local name Uodor bulati, ang kingdom Animalia, from phylum Annelida, class Litellata, ang order Opisthophora, yung family Lumbricidae, and genus Lumbricus, and species Lumbricus terrestris, or madalas nakikita sa mga basa-basa na lupa or madalas kinakain ng manok. And that's all. Thank you.